We are now going to show you how to commission the HW Plus circuit breaker with Hager Power setup software. Make sure the Hager Power setup software is installed on the computer. Click on the Hager Power setup icon to launch the software. Connect computer to the circuit breaker with a USB-C cable adapter. Now you are connected to the right ACB 1600 amp 3-pole Sentinel Energy LSIG. Launch the commissioning menu. Here is the 3 steps procedure to perform the commissioning. Set, test, trip. First, open the project file. This file is an export coming from the Hager CAD project. It contains the structure of the electrical installation and also the settings values defined during electrical design calculation. Click on I understand. Now view the Hager CAD file structure. To find out the circuit breaker concerned, move to the related distribution board. Select the circuit breaker. Click on Start Procedure. Now begins the first step. In the left column, we have the settings values coming from Hager CAD. In the right column, we have the current settings in the product. Click on Apply All Target Values. Then click on Send to load the new values. Step 1 is done. Select the next step, which consists of testing the tripping curve by several testing points on the curve. Make sure the circuit breaker is in open position. Click Next. Agree to the messages. The test is ongoing. Once it is finished, the message Test Successful is showing. Click on Next. Select the next step, which consists of operating an electromechanical tripping. Charge the closing spring like shown. Close the circuit breaker. Click on Trip. Once the circuit breaker has tripped, apply a short press on the OK button, then a longer press to acknowledge the trip message. Select the Acknowledge pop-up is closed. Click Next. Check if the reset button is pushed in. Select I have reset the circuit breaker. Click Next. Step 3 is complete. Click on Next to get the commissioning report. You can add some notes here in the report. This is an example. Click on Generate Report. Confirm personal information. Here you can see the commissioning report. Here are the notes, the characteristics of the circuit breaker, the result of the commissioning, and the current settings values. Now you know how to commission HW Plus circuit breaker with Hager Power setup software. Thank you.